So it's June the 15th. I'm here in Lit. I tried to go to Hastings, but I couldn't get further here because there's a hill over here. And as you see, there's no cycling lane on there. So I'm gonna go back. The trip isn't over yet. My finger is better. I can again move it, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm just gonna go back here. Here it's very good to cycle and then to heights, but here I can't go up this big hill. That was way too steep. So I'll try to go around it, maybe this way or so, I don't know yet. I'll see, and then maybe here somewhere go camping. Here we go again. Hopefully a bit more luck today than last time. Now another direction, so hopefully wind in the back. I'm back at the start of the road along the coast. Here I can go on the dike, and it's until the next town over there that it goes, so this is a good road. Or yeah, not that good, but better than driving along the streets. So there is Dover. I'm gonna take a break here. I've done about 10 kilometers now. It's going good, but I don't know yet where to go. I'll have to see. I've talked to that man. He's a great guy. He's picking up all the dirt. I do that in Belgium, so I love seeing that. So he explained me a lot of things. So I'm gonna go to Folkestone. And there's a campsite in Folkestone. He explained everything. He wrote down the whole direction for me, so that's great. There should be internet there. It should be cheap enough, so I'll see. I'll stay there one night, and then I'll see what else to do. But it's still a good trip to Folkestone, so there it is. Over there, oh, I must hold my camera upright, and over there is Dover. So there to Folkestone. Okay, I'm up for it. I've eaten well, I've drank something, and now let's go back. Such a great guy that was. It was like meeting my doppelganger in England. He also had long hair like me, the same color. He also had glasses, but he had a smartphone, so that was very helpful. I'm really totally pumped up by this. I've gotten a lot of energy because of it, so I'm very happy now. I know where to go. I'm going to Folkestone. Hi all, I'm back. I'm at the best place I could ever imagine. I've had a really great day. It was really fabulous weather. Then I met my doppelganger. I think that was the last thing you guys saw, and my SD card was full after that, so I couldn't film anymore. I didn't know where my spare SD cards were, so now I've found it. I'm now at a campsite and I've got the most beautiful place there is. So my doppelganger sent me here, he gave me the directions, and look at that. This is the view behind my camping, or behind my tent, and this is the view in front of my tent. This is just awesome. This is so great. Such a lovely place. I only paid 10 euros per night here, and there is internet, so I will be able to upload my videos. That is so awesome. So it's the best that I could have. After having a bad day 2 days ago, this day was just perfect. The wind was from behind, so I could ride really fast. I had to climb a big hill here to go to the campsite, and I did it with my bike, and it was okay, so my legs are improving also, so that's good. Today I'm eating jalapeno beef kebabs. Oh boy, this is good. It tastes like French merguezes. Really good. Good morning everyone, it's Sunday, it's again a rest day, and I'm at ease over here. I'm at that great spot. It's so good to hear the sound of the sea. I am uploading the video, it's now at 12%. I started uploading yesterday evening, so it went very slowly. Yesterday evening it was at 10 kilobytes per second. Now it is at 60 kilobytes per second, because a lot of people have left. So hopefully a lot more will leave, and then it can be even faster. I'm now using my smallest power bank to do this. I just take out the display, and like that it can run my M4 for quite a bit. I've downclocked my M4. Normally it's clocked at 2 GHz and 1.5 for the small cores. But I've clocked it to 1 GHz for the big cores and the small cores, just so it wouldn't use 2 amps, because this can't handle 2 amps, or even more than 1.5 would even be a problem. This board should be able to do 2 amps, but it just can't do 2 amps. So like this, this one was completely full, so I can now empty it while it's uploading. So it's doing a good job. So here are my 3 power banks charging. But check this view, it's so awesome here. I'm gonna stay for longer here. It's just too awesome. It's so awesome. These walls look so unstable, and it isn't very hard, the chalk. Someone wants some seaweed? There's enough of it. And it's very slippery. I found this cave It's see, see through it, rounded off by the water. Maybe it's an old piece of glass. I'll keep it. I found some others. Must be glass. It's cool. I've just paid for 2 more nights, so for Monday and Tuesday nights, so it's even cheaper in the week. So in the weekend it was £10, in the week it's £8, £8.80. So that's great. I could also buy a Coke with the same money, so I'll enjoy my stay over here. So tomorrow probably going to the city, and I'll take my cart with me with my guitar and play some music on the street. Hopefully my finger is better, so I can already bend it. I played some guitar today and it was okay. Some chords were very painful, but most of them were okay, so I'm fine. I'm very happy my finger isn't broken or so, or it isn't anything very bad. It's movie time. The Boondock Saints. A long time ago that I've seen it. I've got enough of watching YouTube and watching internet. I missed internet, but now I've got it. I see there's nothing on it. There's nothing to it. I was going out to pee and I was met with this beautiful picture. Jesus. It's Monday, no idea which date it is. I've done some washing, I've washed my clothes. So now I'm going to the city with my trailer that's empty, so it will be easy to take along with me, and this must go off. That's too dangerous. So I'm taking my guitar with me. I'll see if I can play some music on the streets. I want to, but I'm feeling very nervous about it, so I don't know yet if I will be able to. It's been 3 years since I've done it, so the longer it takes, the harder it gets to do it again. Going back down! Little. Done my shopping for today and for tomorrow. The cashier called me honey and my heart broke. It was a pretty girl, of course. I found a spot to play some music. It's a walkway here. It's an aqueduct that goes over the water over here. So there's no cars, there's no sounds, just me and people who walk over here. So I'll play some music. Don't play music, my fingers are sore. I've only earned £4.55, but it is £4.55 more than I had. So now back up the hill. So I'm back at the campsite. I've had a great day. I've got my food with me. I'm very happy to have all this food. And I've played a lot of music. I've played about 2 hours and a half. My fingers were totally sore and it went okay with my pinky. It does still hurts quite a lot, but I can't play, so that's good. I've only earned £4.55, but I sat at a very calm place. There were not too many people that passed by there, so I couldn't earn much, but I loved the place where I was. Just because it was that quiet, I didn't need to earn too much. When I really need to earn money, then I will go to places where it's better. But I had a great day. I let the upload continue while I was away. It was at 24% when I left, and now it's at 38%. So it is getting forward, but it's slowly, very, very slowly. And the barbecue is back on. I'm gonna eat some pizzas. I'm gonna roast them on there. Drink for tonight, Pinotage from South Africa. Bold and spicy. It's a very heavy wine, it's 14%, so that's very heavy. Movie for tonight, Saturday Night Fever. I love this movie. It's really a great movie. John Travolta.